So hey, what's up everyone, this is back here with another video. So yeah, today I will be creating Ganesh Ji using Python turtle graphics. Okay, yeah, as you can see here, yeah. So for that I have to do just simply, I'm here writing wrong, turtle import turtle import random import time t equal to turtle function turtle dot speed 20 dot bg color is black turtle dot color silver turtle 10 size turtle dot left 60 turtle dot st 60 turtle dot left 15 turtle dot circle 100 90 turtle dot ft 13 turtle dot pen size 10 turtle dot in up turtle dot right 90 turtle dot st 20 turtle dot pen down turtle dot right 40 turtle dot circle minus 50 90 turtle dot st 20 turtle dot left 50 turtle dot color silver turtle dot pen up turtle dot fd 40 turtle left 20 turtle pin down turtle circle 60 90 turtle dot color silver turtle dot pin up go to 0 0 turtle dot pin size 5 turtle dot pin down turtle dot left 30 turtle dot fd 120 turtle dot circle 60 270 now turtle dot color again silver turtle dot pin up turtle dot forward 30 turtle dot right 60 turtle forward 135 turtle pin down turtle pin size 8 turtle circle 50 90 turtle dot left 95 turtle dot pin up turtle dot circle 60 75 turtle dot pin up turtle dot forward 15 turtle dot left 90 turtle dot pin size 2 turtle dot pin down turtle dot circle 70 90 turtle dot pin size 5 turtle dot pin up turtle dot forward 75 turtle dot right 90 turtle dot forward 20 turtle dot pin down turtle dot circle 90 90 turtle dot forward 20 turtle dot circle 30 170 turtle dot right 180 turtle dot circle 28 180 turtle dot right 160 turtle dot circle 25 180 turtle dot right 160 turtle dot circle 22 160 turtle dot forward 20 turtle dot circle 60 45 turtle dot pin up go to 0 0 turtle dot left 130 turtle dot fd 140 turtle dot right 250 turtle dot backward 20 out turtle dot circle 80 20 turtle dot circle 20 40 turtle dot right 110 turtle dot pin up turtle dot ft 20 turtle dot pin down turtle dot pin size 10 turtle dot forward ring is 50 turtle dot circle 100 80 turtle dot pin size 9 turtle dot circle 150 50 turtle dot pin size 7 turtle dot circle 100 160 turtle dot pin size 5 turtle dot circle 90 60 turtle dot pin size 4 turtle dot circle 40 60 turtle dot circle 10 90 now turtle dot colors silver turtle dot pin up then go to minus 90 290 turtle dot right 230 turtle dot pin down turtle dot circle minus 100 50 turtle dot circle 200 20 turtle dot circle 50 30 turtle dot right 180 turtle dot circle 50 30 turtle dot circle 400 20 turtle dot circle minus 100 40 turtle dot right 95 turtle dot pin up turtle dot ft 40 turtle dot right 90 turtle dot pin down turtle dot circle 100 400 dot pin up turtle dot circle 35 120 turtle dot right 30 turtle dot pin down turtle dot pin size 1 turtle dot circle 60 up turtle dot pin up go to minus 70 90 turtle dot fill colors red turtle dot begin fill turtle dot circle 20 180 turtle dot end fill function then turtle dot pin up turtle dot left 75 turtle dot fill color red and dot begin fill turtle dot circle 70 35 turtle dot end fill turtle dot left 180 turtle dot backward 10 turtle dot pin down turtle dot left 6 turtle dot pin size 5 turtle dot color red turtle dot circle minus 80 40 turtle dot pin up go to 0 6 now simply turtle dot color yellow turtle dot pin up go to 0 0 turtle dot left 118 turtle dot fd 240 turtle dot right 13 turtle dot pin down turtle dot circle 90 65 turtle dot pin up now done. So now let's run this code. Okay, so yeah, so after running this code, as you can see here, yeah, code is successfully running. Yeah, so actually I have made this code for this Ganesh Puja. Okay, so happy Ganesh Chaturthi to everyone.